Feed the Monster game on the Digital SLP website. I'm going to go ahead and click on the B sound in the final position to use as an example for this tutorial, but we do have this game available in other positions and other sounds as well, so please check those out if you need them. And the way this works is the student will drag one of the pictures over to feed it to the monster like this, and the monster will eat it, and then the student will say the word. And once the student has fed the monster and said the word, it will get crossed out over here on the chalkboard to the left so you can keep track of which words the student has already practiced. One thing to note is that if you'd like the student to get more productions, one thing you can do is go down here to the bottom, and you'll see there's an icon for a digital die down here. And so you could click on that and then click on roll it, and that will roll the dice. And whatever number pops up after you roll it, that would be the number of times that the student would say the word. And that way they can get some more productions. All right, and we'll minimize this to go back to the main part of the game. Two other things to notice is that you can turn the sound on or off right here. And then if you would like to expand the game to full screen, you can use this square up here in the top right.